You should never leave your device in a public or open space unattended. It only takes a few seconds for someone to quickly snatch the device, and you probably won't even see the act take place. Now, if someone does take your device, you really don't want them to have access to your private files or photos. Therefore, you should have a username or password set up on your device. Now, in the event that your device is stolen, you would want to have as much information to share with the authorities when making a report. Take a piece of paper and write down the make, model, and serial number of your device. You can use this information to easily identify your device if it is recovered. When filing a report, make sure to have as much information available to share with the authorities. This can be any identifying information that would help to distinguish your device from another. It could be colors, identifying marks, stickers that can make your device stand out from another one. So most devices come with tracking software to help you locate your device. This is often found under location services on the device. Alternatively, you can install additional software to help with tracking your device if in case it's stolen.